for yourself a deposit of $100, guys. You can see Boom Killer Boy has already closed $431 in few minutes of trading. I think this is more than 400% of this account has been achieved. At the same time, you can see the floating profit and the running trade in this account, guys. So I think it's about to hit our take profit. Boom! Our take profit target has already been hit close by itself, guys. You can see for yourself, $519 has been achieved. This is more than 400% of this account, guys. Take a good look at this and see for yourself what the Forex Boom Killer Boy is capable of doing. Double your account. It does not matter your account size you have, so it's capable to secure your profit at the same time secure your account. So the Forex Boom Killer Boy never goes wrong. Let's wait for the withdrawal in this account. Boom, you can see this. We are not spending from our deposits, we are spending from our profit. 500 withdrawal in the second. You can see for yourself. You can see for yourself. This is what the Boom Killer Boy is capable of. From deposit of $100, guys, you can see the withdrawal of $500 in this account. Check this out. There is no single loss here. There is no single loss. There is no single loss. Immediately everything was confirmed, everything was closed on take profit, guys. See it for yourself. Do you trade, you make profit? Okay, guys, thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the subscription bell. Thank you, guys.